Top 4 reasons Linux Mint is the best Windows 11 replacement in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are watching this, there is a good chance you are frustrated with Windows 11. Maybe it's the constant background process, the telemetry you can't fully turn off, the pushy updates, or the way it feels like your PC is working harder for Microsoft than for you. And let's be honest, after Windows 10 reached end of support in late 2025, a lot of perfectly good machines are being left behind. Today, I'm going to give you 4 rock solid reasons why Linux Mint, specifically the Cinnamon Edition, is the smartest, most practical Windows 11 replacement right now. This isn't just hype, it's based on real world use, official specs, and what thousands of people who have already switched are saying in 2026. Linux Mint 22.3 Sena is the current long-term support release, backed until 2029, and it's built for people who just want their computer to work without the drama. Let's start with reason 1. It feels instantly familiar, like the best version of Windows. One of the biggest barriers to switching operating system is the fear that everything will feel alien. Linux Mint solves that beautifully with its Cinnamon desktop. It's deliberately designed to look and behave like classic Windows. A start menu in the bottom left corner, a familiar taskbar with pinned apps and system tray, right click context menus that just make sense, and a file manager that works exactly the way you expect. You won't spend hours hunting through weird submenus or learning new gestures. Hit the super key, which is Windows key, type what you need, and you're off. Keyboard shortcuts you already know, like Alt Tab for switching windows, work the same way. Reviewers and everyday users in 2026 consistently call Cinnamon the most Windows friendly Linux desktop. And it's no coincidence that most people coming from Windows say they felt at home within minutes. It's clean, polished, and modern, without the clutter you see in Windows 11 start menu or recommended sections. You're in control from day one. Now, reason 2. It's remarkably easy to use and rock solid stable. Linux Mint was built with beginners and everyday users in mind, and it shows. The interface follows common sense design. Everything is where you expect it to be. There is no steep learning curve, no cryptic error messages popping up every other day. But ease of use is only half the story. The real standout is stability. Linux Mint uses a proven long term support base, which is Ubuntu 24.04 under the hood, and the developers focus on rock solid reliability rather than chasing the bleeding edge. You get a centralized update manager that handles everything safely in one place. Security patches, app updates, the works, and it rarely demands a reboot. People who have used it for years, some for over a decade, report far fewer crashes or forced restarts than they ever experienced on Windows. In my own testing and across countless 2026 reviews, Linux Mint just stays out of your way. It runs quietly in the background, doesn't nag you with ads or suggestions, and gives you the freedom to tweak almost anything if you want, without breaking the system. Now, reason 3. Thousands of free, safe apps at your fingertips. Forget hunting the web for sketchy downloads or dealing with the Microsoft Store's limitations. Linux Mint's software manager is a game changer. It's a clean, graphical app store that gives you instant access to over 60,000 verified packages. Everything from LibreOffice, a full Microsoft Office compatible suite, to GIMP for photo editing, Firefox, VLC, and even Steam with thousands of games via Proton. You browse, read descriptions, see user ratings, and install with one click. It pulls from officials Linux Mint and FlatHub repositories, so everything is vetted for compatibility and security. No more worrying about bundled malware or forced subscriptions. Need something more up to date? Flatpak supports gives you the latest versions of popular apps without messing with your core system. For Windows users making the switch, this is often the moment they realize how much easier and safer software management can be. And yes, most everyday tasks have excellent free alternatives that are actually better optimized for Linux. Now, reason 4. It runs lightweight and brings old hardware back to life. Here is where Linux Mint really shines in 2026. Windows 11 has strict hardware requirements like TPM 2.0, specific CPUs, 4 GB minimum RAM, 64 GB storage that have forced many people to buy new PCs. About the Linux Mint, it officially recommends just 2 GB of RAM, 4 GB for comfort, and 20 GB of disk space. The installer itself is only about 3 GB. Real world results are even better. Idle CPU and RAM usage is dramatically lower than Windows 11 on the same machine. Older laptops and desktops that felt sluggish under Windows suddenly feel responsive again. Many users report their 6 or 8 year old hardware running cooler, quieter, and faster after switching. If your machine is truly ancient, you can even choose the lighter XFCE or matte editions of Mint and squeeze out even more years of life. This isn't just about saving money, it's about sustainability and not being forced into upgrades you don't need. Now, final thoughts. Why make the switch now? Switching operating systems always involves a short adjustment period, but Linux Mint keeps that period as short and painless as possible. You can test everything risk free by booting from a live USB. No installation required until you are sure. Dual booting with Windows is straightforward if you want a safety net. In 2026, with Windows pushing more AI features, telemetry, and hardware lock ins, Linux Mint stands out as the calm, private, efficient alternative that puts your back in control. Millions have already made the jump and never looked back. If you're ready to try, head to the official site at linuxmint.com. Download the Cinnamon Edition, create a bootable USB, and give it a spin. It's completely free, no license keys, no hidden costs. Drop a comment below. Are you thinking about switching from Windows 11? What's holding you back? Or what's your biggest frustration right now? I read every single one. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tech guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.